Assalamualaikum, I'm Farwa Sheikh and I'm a student of LLB 2A. The topic I chose for political science assignment was politics and struggle for power. So let's continue with the presentation. Politics and struggle for power. What is politics? It is the struggle for power, influence and authority. Got the power, you have the authority, you can do anything you want. So power is a person ambition, everyone wants power. Even all states in the world are struggling for power. Politics. Power as shown by Hans Morgenthau. In politics among nations is man's order, crazy and exercise of various man drive to live, insight and overpower are typical to all men. Likewise, the fight for power is inescapable as a general rule and an undeniable sureness of inclusion. Objective for power is the particular segment of every single administrative issue and accordingly of worldwide politics. Politics is related with struggle for power. Thomas Hobbes' shocking image of the condition of nature gives us a knowledge into how the human culture will be without some politics. What Hobbes implies is that the social politics is not normal, however, will result just from the outside burden of force. What's more, that is accurately in the light of the fact that man is normally self-centered and serious, and in this way we can live calmly together just on the off chance that they are constrained to do as such by the danger of power. Sin says that politics manage planning the desire of the state, which making decision and with figuring out what government out to or out not to. Governmental issues is worried about the designation of assets of the state. How do assets happen? What standards are utilized in, and under what conditions do these? Keyword: politics is the movement through which individual makes, save, and change the overall standard under which they live. Along these lines, the presence of opponents' assessment, various needs, contenting needs, and restricting interests are ensured by the principle under which individual lives. Politics is the activity of force, the activity of power, the creation of aggregate choice, the distribution of assets, the act of strictness and control to specify, and yet politics is about the manners by which power relation influence human social and monetary issues. There are two fundamental attributes of politics which help to recognize it from those ideas that guarantee partiality with it, like power and example of game of power. British ruled India for 100 years and their rule is the best example for politics and game of power. They applied the rule of divide and conquer. They demolished the Ottoman Empire to minimize the chances of Muslims coming back to power. Danger from Russian Empire and Soviet Union. They go to Muslims and sought their help to defeat them. Prove that politics and struggle for power and game of power is interrelated. Like it is said, why do you think it is said that politics is about power sharing and power struggle?